What's going on, my trading jits and crits? So unfortunately, oh my god, hold up, everything in their mom's gonna pop up right now. I'm sorry, sorry. Let me get all this out of the way. But yeah, so as you said, I literally just booted up my PC. So I did not wake up for any of this session. Well, I did, but I went back to sleep. I'm a fucking retard. But the good part is that all of this right here is my goal to wake up for now. So I'm gonna start waking up at like 6:30. I'm gonna start trying to do this tomorrow. Oh my god, literally everything's about to pop up because I just loaded my computer. Anyway, let's get into this trade recap. So I checked the hourly. I saw we were still, in this little downtrend that we had. Like, yeah, we had a little bit of breakups. That's it. Nothing too crazy. 30-minute, I realized, hey, downtrend's still coming down. Let me wait for a retrace. I go to the 50-minute. That's where I'm like, okay, well, the lowest candle we have is this one. But I think what I'm doing wrong is that I should be waiting for this candle to get closed, so that way I can do this sort of trade right here. Literally, that came out perfectly. That's kind of nuts. But yeah, I should start waiting for that because this is technically the most recent low, not this or this. And don't worry about that. I was gonna try to get another one, but yeah, I think the problem I'm having is that I'm not putting the lows in the right positions. As you can see, I waited for this low to get closed below, entered right here, and my TP was something like this. And then I had a stop loss at the 2 point mark. So like I literally got wicked out of my account and I ended up losing $212 as you can see. But like I just said, big learning moment because instead of holy fuck, instead of fucking taking this, right? Because this is technically the most recent low that we have that got put in place, or you can even go as far and say it's this. But this was the most recent low that got put in place besides this. So once this got to, so once I should have waited for this to get taken out. I'm doing this without my glasses, by the way, so I'm like blind. So I should have waited for this to get taken out, and then once price takes it out, obviously we would have some sort of retrace, and it looks like we have a fair value gap right here. And then after that, that's when market would push down and hit this TP. Now, obviously, that's not what I did, but I'm having fucking banger learning moments, bro. Like, holy fuck, bro. I'm gonna call this the yawn session, but I'm having banger learning moments. Like, it's kind of crazy how much I'm starting to learn and like relearn from my trading. Because like now, if I wanted to take another trade, obviously it would have to be something like this, where I wait for this low to get closed below now. And now when we take the trade, motherfucker, let me fucking adjust this. We take this trade, we'd have to wait for this low to get taken out too. So that way price can come down, take this out, maybe retrace up a little bit, and then come down and hit this TP. So, all in all, I know I've been doing really shit. I'm proud of myself. Ooh. I'm so sorry in advance for everything that's happening. Fucking yawning, all that shit, but yeah. So a couple things I'm not gonna do anymore. Not trading from my bed. I'm definitely gonna start trying to wake up a bit earlier so I can catch the start, like the literal beginning of New York sesh at 6:30, or at least a pre-market. Nothing happens. I mean, I have 1,000 other things I can do to wait. But another reason why I'm gonna start doing that, I don't want to make this too long, but I'm gonna get my schedule switched around so that way in the afternoon, or not the afternoon, when I get out of work, I actually have time to fucking backtest. It's so hard to backtest when I get out of work because I get out at either 7 or 8. So, when I get out at either of those times, I literally have an hour to eat, like an hour to eat, and then I go to the gym. And I'm at the gym from anywhere to, let's say I go at 9, right? If I'm at the gym at 9, then I could be there from anywhere to 10 to 11. Shit, if we missed a body part, 12. And it sucks because like then I have to wake up 7 hours later and trade, you know? So it's not ideal for me because I'm trying to stay between that 6 7 that's that 6 7 mark of sleep. I want to make sure I'm well rested. We're not oversleeping. I think today I kind of overslept a little bit. Yeah, I think I woke up like 8:30 ish. Well, that was okay because we do shit in the market. Like we went up. I would have taken this long right here, and then all of a sudden we went down, and this would have been my stop loss. So either fucking way, it feels like I would have lost. So yeah, I I don't know. I don't know if I should like switch pairs. Like, how's gold doing? Is it just called gold on here? Yeah, it's just called gold. Just GC. Eh, gold's not even really doing shit. Yeah, nah. Gold's not really doing anything in particular that's like fucking crazy. But yeah, so I'm switching my schedule to where at 6:30, I wake up and I go to the gym. I will come home around 7, 7:30, hopefully, maybe 8. But the good part about that is that while I'm at the gym, if something does happen, obviously I have TradingView. I can set alerts. I can see what's happening. Something does happen, I can easily just trade this shit while I'm at the gym. And the best part is when I get home around that 7, 8 o'clock mark, I don't have to stress out, eat real quick, get ready for the gym and go. No, I can eat because I'll most likely come home and read my books. I can come home, eat, relax, maybe take like an hour to like just chill out from the world, play some video games or something like that, and then boom, immediately into an hour to 2 hour backtesting session. And this is gonna be every day. Like I will do this every day. Shit, I might even live stream it sometimes. But that would be every day. And then what I can do is literally that'll be like what 10 to 12 hours of backtesting because I want to do this every day and there's 14 days a week, so that's 12 to 14 hours of backtesting every week. Now, obviously, I want it to be more, so my goal for backtesting is going to be around 15 hours this upcoming week. 15 hours of backtesting. That way, I have all the data I need. Literally, everything lines up, everything correlates, and I'm not just sitting there fucking winging shit, you know what I mean? So, with that being said, I think it's about 9:30 right now. I got an hour and a half to play with. So I'm probably just gonna chill out for a bit so I can get it out the way. Later I'll probably come home, read my books. I might even read a chapter in my book right now, and then I'll read the Bible later. I like reading the Bible at night. But yeah. So, with that being said, I know my account isn't growing, but I'm seeing a lot of growth. Like I'm seeing stuff happen from when I was that funded trader, when I became that funded trader. Which reminds me, this upcoming week, well, next week I get paid. Uh, I have to pay my rent. I have to do adult things. So, oh fuck, I'm sorry. So, I'm either going to invest in another funded account or build this one up. I don't know, but I'll save the money for the funded. Like I will save money for the funded. So, I know I'm saying so a lot, but that's because I'm actually officially done now. So without all that shit aside, hope everyone has a great day. God bless you guys. I might be leaving a couple trading groups as well, because like I'm seeing everyone's like, oh, I hit a banger today. I'm just like, dude, I'm doing not as good. But like I said, learn, lose, win, and you have to repeat that cycle over and over and over again. So I'm glad I'm starting to do this. It's helping me a lot. And yeah, I hope everyone has a great day. God bless you guys and be safe.